Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. If you're new here, my name is Maria. I do DIYs, hauls, reviews and more. So if you love to craft and do budget friendly home decor, you should definitely subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified every time I upload. In today's video, I am so excited because I have a special guest. She will be taking over my video and she will be doing my voiceover. So I'm going to do the same thing to her channel. I'm going to do her voiceover. So I'm gonna leave the information down in the description box so you can definitely go check it out and see how I did. So thank you so much for stopping by, and now let's craft. Craft or craft? The craft or craft? I don't know, let's craft.
Hello everyone, welcome back and thank you for watching. If you're new here, my name is Maria and I do DIYs, hauls and review. If you love craft and do budget friendly home decor, you should definitely subscribe and hit the bell button to get notified every time I upload a new video. So if you want to see how I did those beautiful DIYs, let's keep watching. So for my first DIY, I will be making this beautiful hexagon rustic planter. So I'm going to start off by using 12 $3 jumbo popsicle sticks. Also, I'm going to be using 9 curled paint sticks from Lowe. Next, I went ahead and cut the ends to the popsicle sticks, and then I started to create the shape I wanted. So in this case, it's going to be a hexagon like I mentioned it already. So next, I'm going to be attaching all the pieces together by using hot glue only, just like so. And now repeat the previous step to create another one, so you will have 2. So next I'm going to be leaving those on the side for a little bit, and I'm going to be using 3 more popsicle sticks to create the side of the planter. So I mark it down with a pencil and then cut the ends, just like so. So next I went ahead and attached the popsicle sticks by using hot glue, as you can see. So now repeat the previous step to create another one, so you will have 2. So when I was done with that, I just put it on the side and got more popsicle sticks to create the bottom. So I cut 3 popsicle sticks to create the bottle, so I ended up cutting 6 little pieces. And then I'm going to be attaching all together by using hot glue, as you can see. You can see I attached it only one side first, and then I went ahead, add more hot glue and attach the other side, just like so. So next I'm going to be using 2 Jenga blocks that I have used in previous DIYs. As you can tell, they're already painted. So next I went ahead, add a little bit of hot glue inside, place it on it, so like that I will have better reinforcement. Next I went ahead and cut 4 more pieces to complete the bottom of the planter, just like so. 2 on one side and then 2 on the other side, and there you have it. So next I went ahead and used 3 regular popsicle sticks, cut the ends and then place it in between just to give a better reinforcement to the planter. I also added some gems that I have around, as you can see. So I placed the stickers in both sides here and there on the top, and then I'm going to be using white chalk paint. So I let it dry and that's how it looks like. Next I went ahead and though I want to distress it a little bit and use a little bit of empty wax. So as you can see with a little brush I start tapping around, focus on the little gems and then just light brushes here and there until I got the color I wanted. And basically that is it for the first DIY. All I did after was just decorating with few things that I have around the house, some greenery, some LED candle, and I think they came out absolutely beautiful. I love the way this came out. It's so rustic, but you can decorate it however you want. So I want to know, what do you think about this DIY? So let me know in the comments down below. So for my next DIY, I'm going to be creating this beautiful vase or planter or however you want to call it. I think it came out absolutely beautiful and it's so simple and quick to do. So let's get creative. So for this DIY, you're all going to some hot glue and place it all around the container, just like so. So when I was done with that, that's how it looks like. As you can see, it looks beautiful already. So next I'm going to be basically doing the same process that I did on the previous DIY by placing the gems on the bottom and also on the top. So when I was done with that, I went ahead and give it a really good coat of white chalk paint. So next I'm going to be distressing, give it a really nice rustic look by using the antique wax and a little brush, and basically that is it. I will be focused only on the bottom mostly, and then just light brushes here and there to get that distressing look like I already mentioned. So yeah, that is it. That is it, and I think it came out absolutely beautiful. All I did after was add some greenery that I have around the house, and I think it came out beautiful, like I said already, I believe. So yeah, that is it, and please let me know in the comment down below which one was your favorite, number 1 or number 2. Also, if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So I really hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you guys next time. Ciao, ciao.